Hello everyone and happy Thanksgiving. I've been receiving a few emails from you regarding the stock market project. Instead of having a Zoom meeting over vacation, I thought I would just make a video, put it online so that you could see the lesson there. To get started, you're going to need to go to Google Classroom. You're going to want to select your period. The stock market project was the last post that I made. Within that post, you're going to want to click on 3 links. The first link is the finance.yahoo.com. The second link is the stock market portfolio spreadsheet. It should be in the upper right for you, as that's the part that you have to turn in. And the third thing you need to open up is the 2020-2021 approved stocks. My recommendation would be to choose stocks off of this list, but you're allowed to pick stocks from off the list as well. So the first thing you have to do is look at the list of stocks and select a stock that you think is going to grow over the next week. So for example, Black Friday is Friday, so perhaps Best Buy will do well. Take note of the ticker price. So really you just need the first two columns. You need the company name and you need the ticker code. So Best Buy is BBY. So you take that information and you head over to the Yahoo Finance page and you search for BBY. It should be the first stock listed once you put it in. And as you can see here, we have the company name, and then we have a large number right underneath the company name. This is the stock price, $113.54. So if we head to our spreadsheet, we can now start to fill some of this in. So the stock name is Best Buy. The stock price was $113.54. Notice how my number contains a dollar sign and only 2 decimal places. If you want yours to look like this as well, you can click the dollar sign in the menu and it will format your number this way. Regarding quantity, this is completely up to you. So just a reminder, you have $5,000 to spend and you have to purchase at least 6 different stocks. So just make sure you're keeping a balanced budget. So just for our example here, I'll purchase 10 shares of Best Buy stock. In class the other day and on Zoom on Monday, I mentioned that a spreadsheet is just a giant calculator. In order to activate the calculator part of the spreadsheet, you would have to start with an equal sign. The two things I want to multiply here are stock price times quantity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the cell that contains the stock price. Then I'm going to put an asterisk or Shift 8 to multiply. And then I'm going to click on the cell that contains the quantity. Then press enter. The total purchase for Best Buy stock will be $1,135.40. There's a couple more pieces of information we need to make this purchase. The first thing is the 5-day change. In order to find the 5-day change for Best Buy stock, we have to head back to Yahoo Finance. You'll notice that above the graph there is 1D, 5D, and 1M. This stands for 1 day, 5 day, and 1 month trend. If you want the 5-day trend, you click at 5D and it shows you where the stock has been over the last 5 days. In order to get the stock price from 5 days ago, you have to hover your cursor over the beginning of the graph and a black price tag will appear on the right hand side. We can see that the stock price was $119.63. We're going to enter that number into the 5-day change. $119.63. We're going to do the same thing for the 1 month change. So I click on 1 month. I hover over the beginning of the graph and I can see it was 116.12. We're going to use these comparisons on Monday when we return. The date purchased, well, that would be the date you did it. So today's 11/25. And the last thing I recommended to everyone was to keep track of what you're spending. So we started with $5,000. And I need to subtract the total that I spent. So I'm going to activate the calculator again. So I'm going to press the equal sign. I want to do 5,000 minus the total spent. I hit enter and I have $3,864.60 left to spend. You would just repeat these steps until you have spent at least $4,500, but no more than $5,000. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and we'll try to work you through it.